In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermarks from Canva. Whether you're a small business owner looking to polish your marketing materials or a creative enthusiast eager to explore design, this quick and easy guide will be a game changer for you. Let's dive right in and learn how to liberate your Canva designs from those pesky watermarks. First, let's open Canva on your preferred device. It could be your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as Canva is primarily a web-based application. Once you are logged in, head over to your projects by clicking on Your Projects or All Your Designs, usually located at the dashboard. If you haven't started a project yet, feel free to create a new design by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Remember, the goal here is to ensure your design isn't just beautiful but also clean and representative of you. Now, you may notice that some images or elements have a watermark on them when using the free version of Canva. These are typically premium design elements that come with a fee. To remove the watermark, you will have to upgrade to Canva Pro or purchase the specific element individually. This investment can often be worthwhile, as it unlocks a host of other features and elements that can take your designs to the next level. Once you have Canva Pro, or you've purchased the element, go back to your design. Click on the watermarked element or image, and you should now see an option to use it without the watermark. Simply select this option, and voila, the watermark will disappear, and your design will look much more professional. If upgrading or purchasing is not something you want to do, you have to find alternative images or elements within Canva's free library. Luckily, Canva offers a wide range of free resources that can help you achieve a professional look without spending a penny. Look for alternative free images or elements by using relevant search keywords. With a little creativity, you will often find that there's a free option that works just as well, if not better. Let's not forget to review your design one last time to ensure that every element aligns with your vision. Proofread any text, check color schemes, and ensure your imagery is sharp and clean. In conclusion, removing watermarks from Canva isn't just about making your design look neater, it's about accessing tools that give you the creative freedom to express your vision without hindrance. Whether you choose to invest in Canva Pro or get creative with its free resources, the power is in your hands. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share with fellow creators. Thanks for tuning in, and have fun creating remarkable designs.